What's good, all my investor homies? We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency in today's video. My favorite cryptocurrency, Ethereum. Some massive news in the Ethereum space. We're going to be breaking it all down in today's video, so you're going to want to stay tuned. Ethereum, Bitcoin, all of crypto has been crashing over the last month and a half. It wasn't a pretty ride. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the crypto markets got absolutely crushed. It seemed like there was bad news after bad news, and every day we were down 5-6%. But we found that bottom, and some massive news came out regarding Ethereum, and it just changes the game. This is a daily chart, and we can see that we bottomed out around $1,700 per Ethereum. And over the last week and a half, the market has been expecting a news release, I think, and we've rallied all the way back to over 3,000, a really clean move to the upside. Today, we're up over 6% due to the news that just dropped here recently. Ethereum's big selling point, the reason that I am so excited about Ethereum even before this news came out, was that it's faster than Bitcoin, which means it's better to use for actual transactions. Buying a piece of pizza at a bar, going out to dinner, you can use Ethereum. Paying for a hotel room, Ethereum is faster. With Bitcoin, you have to wait 10, 15, 20 minutes for that transaction to go through, and Ethereum has better transaction speed. Well, they came out with news just the other day that they are set to become deflationary, and their transaction speed is going to be even faster. Why is it so important that they're going to be deflationary? Well, look at all what's going on here in the United States with the economy. The economy is getting pushed up by the federal government, by the Federal Reserve. They are printing money left and right. That is going to cause inflation. When you just keep printing money, that's when inflation rises and you see those big inflation numbers. Well, Ethereum has came out and said that they're going to be burning a bunch of Ethereum coins, which lowers the supply. If you have a lower supply, but the demand stays the same or goes higher, then what happens to the price of Ethereum? Obviously, the price of Ethereum would then increase. According to network data, over 4,000 Ethereum, equivalent to over $12.1 million, was burned in under 22 hours after the network implemented Ethereum Improvement Proposal EIP 1559 as part of the London hard fork. All right, users start paying a variable base fee for transactions instead of being paid to miners. The coins are then burned and destroyed forever, in addition to an optional miner tip. But this is far from the only change implemented by the EIP. Blockchains, all right, so let's learn more about the EIP. It also allows for blocks to vary in size. Here, this is important. It allows for blocks to vary in size up to double the size that they were before. This is going to reduce network strain and nearly double the network's throughput in times of need, which is in turn expected to result in lower fees when the network sees more than usual. This in turn could result in more Ethereum applications becoming practical and causing more transactions to be processed each day. More transactions, the faster the transaction time, the more people that are going to adopt it, and the more likelihood that this becomes a real world currency, not just something that we buy into and store of value that we hope goes up in price, but something that we can actually use every day when we are going through our everyday lives. Maybe you could buy a car wash with Ethereum coming in the near future. If we look at a daily chart here real quick, let's break it down and look for some of those buy zones that have areas of support here for Ethereum. So I am holding Ethereum long term, but I have been trading crypto more and more because there has some big moves are being put in over the last couple of weeks. So here on Ethereum, this is the daily chart. We do have some support down here at the 2850 level. So if we got a little bit of a micro pullback and you were looking for a short-term swing trade, I don't hate buying in front of that level, looking for that short little pullback and then a continued squeeze. But from a longer term perspective, we are getting a little bit extended, right? I love Ethereum long term, but I do think that we need to chop around maybe for a couple weeks up here, relax for a little bit. We just put in a move from 1800 all the way to 3000. So a short-term insignificant pullback or consolidation would not surprise me at all, and I actually think it would be healthy if we just kind of chopped around for a week or so and then made that next leg up and retest the all-time highs up around $4,400 or $4,400. All right, that's gonna wrap things up. So we got faster transaction time. We got a deflationary asset. They're burning Ethereum, probably the most important news of this whole thing. And we have those fees being paid, not to miners as much, but more in the transaction process. Really big news. If you got something of value from the video, hit the like button for me. If you want to get 10 free dollars from SoFi, you don't have to deposit any money of your own. You just sign up, you get 10 bucks from SoFi. There will be a link in the description. I love all of you. I will catch you in the next video. Until next time, deuces.